the Spiky Hair Show. The name is Lance. He will make every spiky hair fabulous. So today, welcome to Hair Spiky Day.
Spiky hair. This is the cakewalk?
Okay, that was finished. That was the
Ooh,
first
ooh,
one.
ooh, ooh, ooh. One more
Okay.
time. Buffalo.
No, there are 9 more. There's 9 more. So you better get ready. Go! Actually, there's 2 more. 2 more. Then it's my turn.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Go!
That's very cool.
The third one is really fabulous. It's
哎，怎么只走一个圈没有 post？ 还是 post？ 还是有 post？